Okay, hey y'all, so I'm just sitting here and I'm just looking in my car and I'm just like,
hi Jeannie,
why?
Surprised.
Before I get into that, hello guys, my name is Khaviaè. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. For those who are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And if you're new, I do videos on my life, and hopefully you guys enjoy this channel, my videos, my content, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, welcome to my channel. Okay, y'all, so I was just sitting here and I was just looking at my car, and I promise you,
you do not have to tell me that you're going
a few years ago, I would honestly leave my car how it is and not care. But recently, like in the years that I've, changed my hair, a lot has changed about me and my ways. So I like to keep I like to be organized now. I like to be much neater with my car or with the small things. I like to take care of the small things until God blesses me with bigger things. So I'm just sitting here looking at my car, and I'm also watching another YouTuber. She said,
okay, I'm going to record it on my side, so I would like to start with the fact that
taking care of the small things until God blesses her with, better things, and I believe that as well. So I'm just looking at my car, and I'm just like, why? How did I get here? How did it get like this? Why is it like this? My car is so filthy. It is filthy. And it is time to clean it. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So you guys see I have all this trash. You guys can see I have all this trash.
Okay, so you're going to terminate me because of my medical condition.
My daughter
right now. You're not going to
sat in the front seat while we were sitting eating our food, and she wastes ice cream all in the seat, and I never got it up.
This is temporary.
That was probably
I'm under doctor's care right now. I did not say that I was not available. I said
look at the
I'm
crumbs.
Available on Fridays for a few hours.
Look at the crumbs.
As of right now.
Look at the back
when you
where my baby
hired me,
sits.
I was available. I was not involved
Look at the
in a car
floors.
accident. But now that I
McDonald's.
have been
She had
in a car
McDonald's
accident,
yesterday.
you guys cannot accommodate
like,
me
what
for
is
the
going on, y'all?
that I have right now.
What is going on?
Fridays.
My car has never looked like this since I got it. Since the day I got it, it has always been clean, and I'm just to the point where it's just like, ugh, how did it get like this? I think it's because like I've just been going through life lately and just not have been, aware. But now I am aware because I'm looking at it and it's just not it. It's not it. So let's go to the car wash. Let's get this car clean, and yeah, let's see. Okay, y'all, so I have a new angle. I'm so excited because I just figured this out. I forgot I had this mount in my, I forgot I had this mount in my middle console. It's a little crooked, but hold on, let's get it together. There we go. I forgot that I had this mount in my middle console. I forgot that I had this mount in my middle console, and I just never thought to put it up. But I'm so happy I got a new angle. I don't have to put my phone right here where it keeps falling and stuff. So yeah, I just put my hair in a ponytail. It looks a hot mess, y'all. I promise y'all, the next time y'all see me, my hair is going to be retwisted. It's going to be done because I'm looking a hot mess, a literal hot mess. But I can't do nothing about it right now because I'm already on camera. But I'm on my way to the car wash. So before I do that, y'all know I got to get me some Starbucks. I got to get the ice brown sugar shaken espresso because I'm just a big fan of it. Look at my hair. I look a hot mess, bro. What? Oh my gosh. Hold on, let me see if this makes it any better. Okay, that makes it a little bit better, but not too much better, but it makes it a little bit better. I have to stop by Starbucks because I need a coffee. I fuel off of coffee. That's how I operate. That's how I keep a positive, mindset and stuff with God, but I still need coffee to keep me going throughout the day. I pray in everything. I already said my prayers this morning. Y'all already heard that. But yeah, I'm so happy about this new angle. I'm hopping on the freeway. Ooh, God, you shining on me. Shine through me, God. Yes. Okay. I don't know where this Starbucks is, but I know I need one. I just know I need one. I know there's one by my house, but I'm far from my house. Well, I'm not too far from my house, but I'm a little past my house, but I don't feel like going back. So, but they make it good every single time. They make it good. But let's try a new one. Let's see how they do at these new ones. Let me show y'all. Ah! I love my angle. Yes, y'all. Excuse me. I look a hot mess. I know I do. Y'all don't have to tell me because I know I do. If I know I look a hot mess, y'all don't need to tell me because what is there to tell? I already know. You see what I'm saying? But let's go. I just put my hair in a little ponytail. And yeah, let me find this Starbucks. Let me show y'all my angle. This is Vlogmas Day 3. But what I'm about to tell you is going to be a Vlogmas Day 4. So y'all can watch it after this video. Y'all can watch it before this video. Whichever. This vlog it was supposed to be posted yesterday, but like I showed y'all last night, I came home late. So I ended up doing my car really late, and I got a little tired, and so now I gotta finish the process of me cleaning my car. And so this vlog is going to be posted today, and also Vlogmas Day 4 is going to be posted today. But Vlogmas Day 4 is going to be a story time, and this story time is going to be so interesting, so juicy. I know I'm going to get a lot of backlash. I know I'm going to get a lot of comments because of the title that I'm, titling it. But y'all are going to understand the whole plot and the whole theme of the title because it's going to be in the story time. So the story time is going to be called no, I'm not going to tell y'all. Y'all going to figure it out tomorrow. I mean, y'all see it tomorrow. But the story time is pretty much going to be about dark-skinned girls being ugly. Yeah, that's going to be the story time. The story time is going to be dark-skinned girls are ugly. Dark-skinned girls are ugly. Y'all, just wait. Y'all are gonna see what I'm talking about, why I'm saying it, and yeah, dark-skinned girls are ugly. Yeah, and dark-skinned girls are ugly. Like, huh? Woo! I hope I don't get too much negativity in this this story time. But I'm going to share it because this happened to me. It happened right in my face. This was told to me right in my face. Me being a dark-skinned girl, me being chocolate, and being told that dark-skinned girls are ugly. It happened to me, so I have to give you guys a story time. And yeah, so y'all just wait for Vlogmas Day 4. Yeah, it's gonna be posted right after this. Right after this vlog, so it'll be posted the same day. But yeah, I'm on my way to get my Starbucks. I need my Starbucks. y'all, so I made it to Starbucks. I don't know why my camera is blurred. Oh, it's a line. Y'all, it is cold. Hold on. Okay, that's better. Okay, so I made it to Starbucks. They have an iced sugar cookie almond milk latte. No, I don't think I want that. Iced gingerbread, oat milk pie, peanut crunch, oatmeal latte. Yeah, I'll just get my usual. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just get my usual. Y'all, my hair is looking so crazy. Let me show you guys my hair, because what is Khaviaè's hair without showing you guys my locks? Like, look how much growth is sitting on top of my hair, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I am not ready to retwist. My retwist literally, I mean, recently my retwist has been a lot faster than when I started in the beginning, when they were a lot shorter. But now I've gotten a little bit faster with my retwist, but I just don't want to retwist right now. Like, I just don't want to do it. But I'm gonna have to, because I can't keep walking around like this. Like, look at how I look. Look at how I look. Okay, hold on. Hi, what can I get for you? Hi, may I have a tall iced brown sugar shaken espresso? Okay. Can I have that with 3 pumps of white chocolate mocha? Sure. 3 pumps of brown sugar? Okay. And the sweet vanilla coke on top? You got it. And the baked apple croissant, and that'll be all. Alright, I'll see you soon. Okay, thank you. So I have my coffee. See how it tastes. It hits every time. Literally hits every time. Okay, y'all, so I made it to the car wash. I'm not gonna spray the car yet, because I know my daughter is gonna want to do that part with me, so I'm gonna wait to do that part with her. But right now I'm gonna vacuum it out, because it really needs to be vacuumed, and I'm tired of looking at it like this. So let me get out. Let me vacuum it.
Even if I'm asleep, wake me up in my dreams. When you find me in my sleep while I'm dreaming, and you come behind me, remind me while I am the one to play. All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a man who will do it how you want it. All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a man who will do it how you want it. I want you now, I need you now.
Alright, y'all, so that's done. Now it is hot. It heated up so fast. Like, good lord. Alright. So I'm done with that. Now it's time to go get my baby. We're gonna come back. We're gonna wash the car together. You guys are gonna watch us. And then I'm gonna close out the vlog. And yeah, we're going to do that. So I will see y'all in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so I just made it back home not too long ago. It is late and I'm tired, so I will see you guys in the morning.